Meanwhile, the Clarendon police are celebrating a drastic reduction in murders in the parish last year. Clarendon closed 2025 with 41 murders, which represents a 41% decrease. This is the lowest number of murders recorded in over 10 years. Ramarda Lyons reports.
Clarendon, the parish that rocked the nation with the gruesome Cherry Tree Lane tragedy that left 8 people dead and several others injured in August 2024, saw a major reduction in crime the following year. The police say 2025 ended with crime being cut by 41% and shootings by 30%. Head of the Clarendon Police, Senior Superintendent Shane McCullough, was addressing the Clarendon Municipal Corporation for the first time this year when he noted the gains.
Right, that has never happened before in Clarendon. And a 30% reduction in shootings. And an overall 17% reduction in overall crime. And I must also take this opportunity now to thank the members of the Clarendon Police Division. You might not see it, but they have gone above and beyond to ensure that we are where we are now.
There was also a 17% reduction in all major crimes when compared to the corresponding period in 2024. Major crimes include murders, shootings, break-ins, and rape. SSP McCullough credited a targeted approach by his team.
So at the start of 2025, our policing plan had embedded in it a sub-70 target. But after, when we reached October and the team, we did our analysis, we looked at the current situation analysis, we looked at all the strategies that we have been employing. The team decided, along with consultation, I put to them the bold charge of, can we go at a sub-50? And they said, yes, sir. So hence we ended the year at 41.
But to the police, it's more than statistics. It's a sobering reminder of funerals avoided and families not left in mourning.
The difference is the number of persons who are still alive now in 2026. All right? So that's our aim. Our main objective in terms of our policing plan. And we approach it just as a business. Profit and loss. Our profit is the lives saved every year and the further reduction in crime.
Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.